photo shoot ideas inspired by the one and only BTS. So they are going to be from Love Yourself Answer, Map of the Soul Persona, Map of the Soul 7, and Map of the Soul The Journey. And the great thing about these photo shoot ideas are that you don't need a specific outfit or prop or background. You know, not everyone has a stunning pink blazer set, right? So all of these photo shoot ideas are going to be fine if you just have your phone, and you're going to need a few apps, but they are free. I got you. So with that, let's get snapping. Alrighty, I've moved over to my bed area, and here I have a nice big white blank wall, and it's just gonna make editing the photos a lot easier later, so that's why we're here.
Alright, for this photo, you want to try and take the pictures at a similar angle, and don't vary your facials too much, because then some of your features won't line up and it'll look weird.
Alrighty, I finished taking my photos, so now we're gonna go edit. Let's go!
First, I'm cropping with Snapseed down the middle of the photo, then I'm bringing it into Photoshop Mix and lining them up. Now we're going to go back into Snapseed and use the healing tool to blur the line down the middle. This isn't super necessary, but if there is a part where the paper doesn't cover all the way, it won't look too harsh. Next, we're filtering the photo with Foodie and also cropping it. Then I'm opening it up in Pixar and searching for a ripped paper sticker. Finally, I'm bringing it into Over and adjusting the color in the back.
I've changed my outfit to look a little bit more like Jungkook, but this is going to be inspired by their Map of the Soul Persona version 2 concept photos. Want to make sure you cover up the same spots as like the members. So for like Jungkook, I would do the same-ish pose so that when I overlay myself on top, I can just make myself a little bit bigger and then I can cover up like Jungkook. But yeah, if you want to do another member, then just make sure you do the same pose. I'm actually quite satisfied with the photos, so now we're just going to edit.
For this photo, I'm filtering it first with Foodie. Here, I'm using the app Autodesk Sketchbook, and I'm using the soft airbrush to make Jungkook disappear. Then I'm bringing it into Photoshop Mix once again and cutting out myself using the cutout tool. Finally, I'm bringing it into Snapseed again to add a sort of glowy effect using the Glamour Glow tool. I'm using the Filter 2 option at about 30.
Let's move on to the Map of the Soul 7 outfit. Alrighty, and now we're gonna move into editing.
This one is definitely the easiest of the four to edit. So first we're going into photos and filtering it with a mono filter. Next, I imported it into Autodesk along with the BTS photo so that I could get the same shade of yellow by using the color dropper tool. I'm using the technical pen with the size of 5. You want to make sure that you draw on a different layer and not directly on your photo so that you can erase it. You also want to turn on predictive so that your lines become softer and rounder. And then just doodle to your heart's content.
Finally, we're on to the last look, and I've now changed into a Barney colored maroon button-up top, and we are now going to pose like we're as cool as an ice cube.
For the last photo, you can filter it in whatever way you'd like, and then use Autodesk to outline your photo. Again, make sure it's on a different layer, and then erase everything outside your outline. I made this a lot easier for anyone who doesn't want to draw the elements out, but if you would like to, I did it through Autodesk. So if you search for my account on Pixar at pearleepop, there's a replay of this edit, and it'll let you insert your own picture and move the stickers around. Shameless plug, my dance cover account is also pearleepop on Instagram, but yeah, the comparison should be coming up. I think it looks pretty cool.
And that was all the photo shoot ideas. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I did. Leave a comment down below telling me which one was your favorite, and yeah, with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!